L3 student doing their homework. Janica, what are you doing?
Answer sa assignment.
What about you, Lavin?
No.
Notes. Okay. And you, Justine? Notes set?
Notes pa siya.
Notes. Okay. Uwaw mong ka, uy. Nagwapo din mo. Okay. Continue that one. Kumusta man school? Eskwelahan ninyo. Kumusta niyo yung school?
Kaya,
Okay ra?
Kapoy.
Kapoy?
Paspasay.
Pinaspasay, no? Kapoy, pero laban lang, alaksan.